What if you woke up and the power was out? Could you feed your family a real breakfast? Now what if it stayed out for a month? What's really in your pantry? Not use up the rest of the milk before it spoils for cereal breakfast, but a warm, protein-packed, and delicious meal that your family will go crazy for. These warm, gooey oatmeal chocolate peanut butter breakfast cookies will have your family running to the kitchen. Now, hear me out for a second. I've spent years building the easiest meals that would work in real life and in emergencies. I don't do bland survival meals. I build pantry systems that taste like you ordered takeout. It's not your crazy uncle's prepper food, but it is emergency ready. And these oatmeal chocolate peanut butter breakfast cookies can be easily made any busy day of the week or during a power outage. Soul-warming, sweet, delicious, and protein-filled. But here's the twist. It's 100% straight from the pantry. No fridge, no stress. Every delicious recipe I make feeds you today and protects you tomorrow. It's easy daily life meals and emergency food all in one. A true 2-for-1. Cookies for breakfast? Yes, please. They will bring a smile to everyone's face. And here's the wild part. You could buy these ingredients today and store them properly for a year, and it would taste just as good as the day you bought it. That's why I love pantry meals. They save your weeknight and they save your future. Power outage, storm, empty shelves, you're calm, you're fed. You're not in a panic line at the store. I started Loaded Potato to stop stressing about every meal and create a system that does the thinking for me without the slicing and dicing. But now it's about never stressing about another meal again, even during a power outage, snowstorm, or the zombie apocalypse. These recipes got your back. Keep watching. I'm about to show you how to make these delicious apocalypse-proof oatmeal chocolate peanut butter breakfast cookies step by step. By the way, I'm MJ, founder of loadedpotato.org and your refrigerator eliminator, the I hate to cook master. And I've hacked the Martha Stewart rigged system that has us locked in our kitchen for hours when there is a better way. Everything you need is in your pantry. No more hours of slicing and dicing. I show you how to make quick, delicious meals for about $1 or $2. No hours of prep. Now, be sure to subscribe to my channel and I'll make sure that you never have to worry about another meal again, tomorrow or 30 years from now. All right, enough yapping, let's get started. Here's everything that you're gonna need. Quick oats, bread flour, salt, cinnamon, butter powder, creamy peanut butter, honey, egg powder, vanilla extract, chocolate chips, water, and cooking spray. And a stovetop oven to cook your cookies if the power truly is out. So we'll start by preheating our oven to 325. In a medium bowl, mix peanut butter, butter powder, water for the butter powder, and honey. Whip until fluffy. Add the egg powder, water for egg powder, and vanilla to the butter honey bowl. Mix them all together. In a separate, slightly larger bowl, combine all the dry ingredients. Quick oats, flour, baking soda, salt, and cinnamon. Mix all the dry ingredients together with a fork. Now we're gonna combine the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and mix them all together. Finally, we're gonna mix in the chocolate chips with a spoon. Spray a baking sheet with cooking spray and spoon out your cookies onto the tray. Place round scoops evenly spaced around the cookie sheet. Flatten the dough balls with a fork to form a nice circle. Bake for 10 to 15 minutes at 325 until the edges start to brown. The result? Warm, gooey, sweet and filling oatmeal chocolate peanut butter breakfast cookies that you can make any busy morning or during the apocalypse because it's all straight from your pantry. This recipe is so delicious and so easy. You have to try this recipe for an easy breakfast, recipe below. If meals have been feeling like a never-ending burden, it's time to ditch the Martha Stewart ideals and follow me. For more quick, shelf-stable meals, visit loadedpotato.org to find recipes, meal plans, grocery lists, and all my favorite fridge-free recipes. And while you're there, use our auto grocery calculator to stock your pantry like a boss for tomorrow and 30 years from now. Just pick your meals and we'll do all the calculating for you and add all the ingredients straight to your Walmart or Amazon cart, all free. Never worry about another meal again. loadedpotato.org. Till next time.